Hi everyone, I'm here. I made it. I am on the up train heading downtown to Union Station. Oh, I guess I gotta take these off so I can see my eyes better. To a disappointment in my arrival, partially cloudy and like only 10 degrees. And I only came like with my Van City hoodie. Like it was 30 plus when I left then. What a huge difference in temperature drop, especially for this time of the year and especially for today being Mother's Day. So I'm not sure how much we're gonna enjoy our barbecue. Going in and out to get our food and eat inside. I had to ask for somebody to bring me a jacket from my mom's place. Thankfully I left stuff behind. So I'll have extra layer if it stays this temperature. And if it stays this temperature, I tell you now, I won't be staying very long. I'll be going back to the heat of the Vancouver. I can't believe at this point that it would still be such a low temperature. But hey, I guess that has to do with the greenhouse effect. So yeah, so all's good. I'm just waiting for the up train to keep going. So I will touch base again, you guys, when I hit the place where I am staying and can finally get a little bit of a cat nap, because sleep on the plane last night, even with the sleep med, was not much use. You cannot recline the chairs on airplanes now, at least not the Flair Airlines. So on my way back, I may be forced to do Air Canada and pay a little bit more and actually get a chair that I can recline in. We'll see what happens. Bye.